My name is Hamna Khurram and I'm an undergrad student here at FCCU. Today I have Ma'am Hira Ajmal with me and we are going to talk about the impacts of family support on the lives of professional female in Pakistan. Ma'am, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, perfectly fine.
It's an honor to have you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for having me.
Ma'am, shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, before diving into the questions, could you introduce yourself, your family background, your educational background?
Okay, so as you told me, I'm a working professional. I have been working since 12 years now into corporate world. So as far as my family background is concerned, my family, I do not have any brother in my family. We are four sisters. And my father was from judiciary, so nobody was working in corporate. So yes, that was the decision of my life to switch my career into corporate, because nobody had the background of that, so the experience was missing. When I started after bachelor's. I started with the corporate job. I enrolled myself into a trainee program. And at that time, previously, like back in 12 years, so that was not a very easy decision, because in families, when girls get out to do a job, that was still a stigma, right? So I started my job with a trainee. I worked really hard. I completed my master's throughout during my education. So after around 3 to 4 years of my work experience, I decided that this is the time I should have a master's degree as well. So I completed my master's degree alongside the work. So I used to work on work days, and I used to study on the weekends. So that was a tough time. The 2 years was really tough, but that was worth it. That was really worth it. So if I see now, that pays me back. And slowly, gradually, I completed the ladder, and now I am in a multinational, working with a very renowned brand as a sales lead.
Okay. Yeah. And when you initially chose this career path, was your family supportive about it?
Definitely. There is no other question. There's no other mark on the support of the family, because without that, I would not have achieved this thing. As I told you, that I do not have any brother.
Yes.
We are four sisters. I'm the eldest one, and everybody's looking forward to me. Till now, they look forward to me.
I can imagine.
They look up to me. That okay, so this is the mark we have to achieve, and that mark is, mashallah, increasing day by day. So yes.
And when you initially started your career, there must be some hurdles that were like really difficult for you. And how did that family support help you to get through that?
Okay, so as I said earlier, that without family support, we cannot move even an inch in this society. I'm talking about generally for women, because for male, this is very easy, because they have to get out to work. But for me, a female, this is not necessary to get out for work. So it's a personal choice always. It's a personal choice. You want to grow in your career. It's a personal choice. You do not want to grow in career. You have to be at a certain position, or do not have to be certain position. So if you think that you are going out of home, and if you think that you have to achieve certain ambition, it's a certain goal in your career, you have to keep your family on board with that. So that is very important. You have to have a very mature dialogue with your family first, that look, this is what I want to achieve, and this support I want to need. Whether you are married, whether you are unmarried, whatever status you carry with you. So if you are unmarried, there's your father, there's your mother, there's other siblings who actually supports you. And if you are married, definitely then extended family comes in as well. So everybody has to be on board that, okay, it's this particular person wants to achieve this, and we have to be supportive, because sometimes there are times when things are very tough. Things are very tough in corporate, because we have to compete male ultimately. So we have to compete the talent whether it's male or female. So we have to be in the corporate, and it's really tough. So there are certain challenges. There are some emotional challenges as well.
Yes.
And then there are some skillful challenges as well. So in both challenges, your family has to be there. So yes.
And when you talked about that stigma that we have, so do you think that the cultural stereotype for the women really affects their work life or their work life balance?
As I told you that when I started, I always use this term when I started. It's just 12 years back, but the things has changed all across. You know, it has changed 360 degrees, 180 degrees. Sorry. So at that time, yes, if you say this, there was a stereotype. But now, as the time passes, companies know that how to carry women along, how to carry the talented pool of women along. So they are working on inclusivity. They are working on workplace cultures where women can come, exist, and nourish. So I'm happy that we are now sitting in an era where there's less stigmas now as compared to when we started and when we were struggling. Yes, we have seen that time as well, but it's reduced a lot.
And do you think that females still do suffer in comparison to their male colleagues in the work life?
Yes, they still do. They still do. Because at the end of the day, a male colleague cannot accept the thing that, okay, this female colleague can have a challenge of gender, right? So in their mind, there's no gender because it's a workplace, it's an equal place. But yes.
And have you, in your experience, have you witnessed any relation between your quality of family support or the quality time you spend with your family and how supportive they are with your success in your work life and how you...
Actually they are directly proportional. The more support you get, the more flourish you become, right?
Yeah.
So as I said earlier, that you have to be very, very clear in your career path. If you do not have any support, I would suggest that do not aspire that positions, because the positions, the C-level positions, as I work in sales, that's a very hardcore job. So it has its own challenges. I have to be in core field, I have to be in market, and I have to be there because my work required that, and my family knows that, and my family supports that. So just in case your family do not support, just in case, वैसे तो I guess सबको करना चाहिए support, because at the end of the day it's an equal playground, right? So just in case there are hurdles, maybe you can negotiate with your family first, rather than you put up the question marks and the things to your company. First negotiate with your family that, okay, this is my aspiration, this I have to do, this is my skills, I can do this. So you have to make them on board, okay, allow me to do this, because अगर वो allow नहीं कर रहे तो मेरे ख्याल में at the end of the day companies आपको कभी भी इस I guess that would be very बहुत एक अच्छी चीज़ नहीं है कि हम कंपनी से जाके कहें, okay, I want a C-level role, but I cannot do this. So, there's a question mark, then where's the equal playground? Then they have choice to hire male over there. So there comes in एक company के role में एक आ जाती है, okay, so अगर हमें एक female को hire करना है और हमें इतनी terms माननी है, so why not a male? जिसपे हमें कोई term नहीं माननी. Right?
And we were talking about family dynamics. So do you think that the cultural stereotypes or the cultural norms we have do affect that family dynamic? And do you think it's fair to the females that want to evolve in their career path?
Well, if we see the cultural norms, वो तो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. Being a Pakistani, मेरे ख्याल में male के लिए भी उतनी है. So cultural norms are there. Again, हम उनको neglect नहीं कर सकते. हम change कर सकते हैं by time, but that would take time. That would take a real long time, because maybe हमारे से बाद जो generation आ रही है शायद उनके लिए कुछ change हो जाए. But again, there are people who do not want to change. So yes, that is there and that will remain there, but we have to evolve. Then again, we have to evolve our workplaces according to these things, because these are the norms which is equal for male and female both. Right.
And we talked about the extended family, you mentioned about it. Do you think that it is fair that they have a say in what females choose in the case of their careers or their professional life?
They should have a say, and they should have a very positive say.
Okay.
Right, because at the end of the day they are choosing their life partner, and by extended family I mean your spouse.
Yes.
And in-laws, right? So because बिल्कुल करीब आपके वही होते
वही
हैं.
होता है.
So they should know कि जो लड़की हम चूज कर रहे हैं उसके क्या करियर गोल्स हैं, क्या एस्पिरेशंस हैं. नंबर 1, वो कितना पढ़ी हुई है. अगर वो पढ़ी हुई है, अगर हम एक पढ़ी हुई लड़की डिमांड कर रहे हैं, पढ़ी लिखी लड़की, सो हमें उससे क्या करवाना है. So you have to be very clear. Again, ये लड़कियों पे भी आ जाता है. So you have to be very clear, very loud and clear कि choose the man who supports you in your dreams, who supports you in your aspirations, rather than choosing a one, okay, just for the sake of choosing, and then you both suffer at the end of the day. But I'm happy कि अब ये चीज़ें बहुत change हो रही हैं. So again, I again mentioned that 12 years before the things were not same. Boys were not that supportive. And in fact, families were not that supportive. But अब अगर हम देखें लड़कियों की अपनी families, in-laws, spouses, they are supportive. So that's why हमने इतनी ज़्यादा लड़कियाँ work places में अब देखी हैं. और I hope कि अब हम C level पे भी देखने जाएंगे. So
And with the current issues of economy and stuff too, so do you think it is fair that some females are pressured into the work to get financial independence or get better in to help the financial
yes, exactly.
system
To
of the
help your
household?
lifestyle change, I must say. So again, that depends. Look, it's a very subjective thing. Economy is changing is another subject, and what you want out of your lifestyle is another thing, right? You aspire a lifestyle and you work hard for it, whether you are male or a female. So if one person cannot put up onto the table, then I think there is need that another person should work, right? Because आप इतना पढ़ के अगर आप एक टेबल पे इक्वल अमाउंट नहीं लेके आ सकते, तो फिर I think it's not justified. आप इतना पढ़े हैं, so आप अपने and again this is beneficial for girls as well, because आप जितना productive होते हैं, जितना आप development पे काम करते हैं, I guess आप अपनी generation को बहुत अच्छा लेके चल सकते हैं. So they look up to their parents. बच्चे हमेशा अपने parents को देखते हैं कि okay, we have to aspire someone, mainly majorly अपनी अम्मी को, mother को, right? So they do aspire their mothers. So I guess अगर हमें brought up भी करना है तो हमें ये चीज़ लेके आनी पड़ेगी अब.
And we talked about mothers and their role. So we have this obligation, so we have this duty or responsibility connected to the female. So do you think it's fair that they have that duty or responsibility connected to them while their careers, and they have to do that? They don't have a choice. So
Okay, ये इस पे शायद मैं थोड़ा सा leverage लेना चाहूँ being a girl. So थोड़ी सी हमें leverage होनी चाहिए, because at the end of the day girls are sensitive. Yes. Right? So that's a natural beauty of being a girl, or that's a natural beauty of gender. Boys are tough. So being a boy or a male, I guess थोड़ा सा पार्ट ज़्यादा होना चाहिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का, और थोड़ा सा पार्ट कम होना चाहिए, क्योंकि इमोशनल ड्रेन्स और जो चीज़ें लड़कियों को एक्स्ट्रा जाके करनी पड़ती हैं, सो वो यस आपको इमोशनल ड्रेन लेके आती हैं. बिकॉज आपको कॉर्पोरेट में अभी भी अगर लड़की एक टेबल पे बैठती है, सो उससे 2 सवाल ज़्यादा ही किए जाएंगे, ठीक है, और वो 2 सवाल चुभ भी सकते हैं. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो 2 सवाल जब चुभेंगे और आप घर जाएंगी, सो आपका मूड उतना अच्छा नहीं होगा. और यस लड़के के साथ भी हो सकता है, इट कुड हैपन विद मेल एज वेल, बट दे जनरली हैव सपोर्ट. They generally have support.
And what do you think the psychological impacts happen if there is a lack of support or there is a lot of support?
There's a psychological downtime. मैं क्या कहूँ उसको? It's a crash. It does happen. It does happen. Again, जैसे मैंने कहा कि लड़कियाँ are a little more sensitive. लड़कियों की नेचर अल्लाह ताला ने बनाई है, हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. हम जितने मर्जी टफ हो जाएं, स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएं, at the end of the day जब हमें एक टेबल पे बैठ के क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, एंड वी नो कि हमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं बिकॉज वी आर गर्ल्स एंड वी आर डिमांडिंग एन इक्वल रोल, सो कहते हैं अच्छा ठीक है अब इक्वल रोल पे आया तो फिर थोड़ा ज़्यादा ले लो ना, ठीक है. सो यस, वो बहुत ज़्यादा साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं.
And in your daily life, how do you maintain a balance between the expectation of your family and your work life?
Okay, so I make sure that I find time for my family, no matter what. मैं कुछ hours, so that also I have to negotiate with my family as well कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं इतने घंटे आपको दे सकती हूँ, इतना घंटा मेरा काम है, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मांगेगा, so weekends are there. Right? So weekends are there, we hang around. मैं particularly अपने अब्बू के साथ बहुत टाइम गुजारती हूँ and I love that. So I make sure कि मैं 1 घंटा 2 घंटा उनके साथ बैठूँ, खाना खाऊँ, न्यूज़ देखूँ, उनकी फेवरेट टॉपिक पे बातें करें, and that's the thing.
Like we talked about the conservative society and how it plays the role. So do you think the family dynamics impact the ability of a woman to balance their work and family responsibilities? In the conservative society, most of the time if we talk, it's a taboo topic for a woman to work in a professional field or be in sales or marketing or be a business major or go into mass communication and be in front of the camera. So with that, how do you think that it impacts the women when they don't?
It does impact. हमारी अभी भी acceptability नहीं आई है कि लड़की कोई business देख सकती है. So if I talk about particular कुछ fields हैं जहाँ पे अभी भी लड़कियों को उस तरह से मेरे ख्याल में families absorb नहीं कर सक रही हैं. So that's one field in which I am working. So if I tell my family that I'm handling a business, they do understand because I have had this demand like 12 years before that I want to do a business and I want to be on C-level position, right? So they do understand, but I guess every family does not understand. I have several colleagues, they do not understand. They understand, okay, you can work on the support part, you can work on marketing, on some roles where there's no hardship is allowed, and the role must be glamorous, right? So should be for women. And at the end of the day, I guess अगर हम number crunching की तरफ लड़कियों को ज़्यादा लेके आना शुरू करें तो लड़कियाँ बहुत smart हैं. So मेरे ख्याल में लड़की से अच्छा business शायद ही कोई handle कर सकता है, because the ethical values of a girl is so high, of a woman, right? ये भी natural है. So as compared to others, थोड़ी सी ethical ज़्यादा होती हैं लड़कियाँ. So they go with the SOPs, with the policies, with the procedures. They like to go with that, right? So उनकी nature में होता है कि okay, manners and etiquettes, and that's why they build home.
Yes.
Right? So मैं थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा pro women हो रही हूँ, but that's the reality. So but again वहाँ पे opportunity है, बहुत ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी है लड़कियों के लिए इस फील्ड में, बट लड़कियाँ आने को तैयार नहीं हैं बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो फैमिली सपोर्ट. एंड अगेन दैट रिलेट्स टू द थिंग कि एक स्टिग्मा है, एक स्टीरियोटाइप है एट द एंड ऑफ फैमिलीज एज वेल. दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि a woman can go into the hardship. They do not want them to go into the hardship. That's the thing. Yes, e-commerce में लड़कियाँ हैं, e-commerce is business as well, वहाँ पे लड़कियाँ हैं, but there is not that hardship. हार्डशिप है, नंबर्स की हार्डशिप है, बट वो हार्डशिप नहीं है कि अच्छा आपको मार्केट में जाके कोर बिजनेस देखना है, ठीक है. एंड देन अगेन ई कॉमर्स में भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे सी लेवल पे अभी तक जाने की वो नहीं है. सी लेवल पे अगर हम थोड़ा सा पुश करें अपने फीमेल टैलेंट को तो बहुत ज़्यादा रूम है.
And what cultural shift do you think it's necessary to create a more supportive environment for the women in Pakistan?
Well, the cultural shift, I guess, again, थोड़ा सा अगर हम लड़कियों को empower और ज़्यादा करें, by empowerment I mean let them dream, ठीक है, and let them fulfill their dream. So that's अगर मैं dream की बात करती हूँ, अब हमने empower कर दिया है लड़कियों को, हमने एम्पावर कर दिया, ओके आप जाएं, पढ़ें, कॉलेजेस में पढ़ें, आप जॉब्स करें, यू ब्रिंग योर पार्ट इनटू द टेबल, एवरीथिंग इज़ ओके. बट देन अगेन कहीं पे ड्रीम्स अभी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो रहे हैं, राइट? आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू से कि लड़कों के नहीं हो रहे, आई एम श्योर वहाँ पे भी कुछ हो रहे होंगे, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट टॉक अबाउट दैट. बट अगेन कि उनके पास ये रूम नहीं है कि उनको अपनी ड्रीम फुलफिल करने के लिए किसी से पूछना पड़ेगा. सो हमें अभी भी अपने ड्रीम्स फुलफिल करने के लिए किसी की इजाज़त लेनी पड़ेगी, किसी से पूछना पड़ेगा, किसी से नेगोशिएट करना पड़ेगा. सो आई गेस अगर हम ड्रीमर्स की बात करें तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है.
And lastly, if you reflect on your journey, do you think there is any specific policy or initiative that could enhance the family support and contribute to the professional women's careers overall?
आई गेस कॉर्पोरेट की बात आ जाती है कि
जी.
कॉर्पोरेट को अब क्या करना चाहिए. सो कॉर्पोरेट को तो बहुत कुछ करना चाहिए अभी भी, बिकॉज अभी भी इंक्लूसिविटी पे काम हो रहा है, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे काम हो रहा है, बहुत काम हो रहा है, लेकिन अभी भी बहुत ज़रूरत है. सो व्हेन वी गो एंड टेल देम आवर नीड, आवर बेसिक नीड, सो दे थिंक ट्वाइस बिफोर मेकिंग द पॉलिसी, whatever it is. So I'm very vocal. I'm really sorry, but हमें अपनी मंथली नीड को पूरा करने के लिए एक जस्टिफाई करना पड़ता है कि why we want this leave, why we do not want to be in the office at that particular days of month or even one day. बहुत सी कंपनियां इस पे काम कर रही हैं, बहुत सी कंपनियों ने कुछ पॉलिसीज़ ऐसे भी बना दी हैं, बट अगेन अभी तो शायद सिर्फ 2, 4, 5 कंपनीज होंगी. सो देयर आर लॉट जो अभी भी काम कर रही हैं. अब फिर इसी तरह से अगर कोई फैमिली का कोई आ जाती है, आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए, सो अगेन वी हैव टू जस्टिफाई कि मुझे ये क्यों चाहिए है, बिकॉज वी आर डिमांडिंग समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. लड़कों को नहीं चाहिए. सो मेरे ख्याल में अभी तो बहुत काम होने वाला है, कोई एक पॉलिसी नहीं है.
And do you think it's fair? I mean, the male colleagues, I believe, I'm not sure, they don't have to justify every
It's not
leave or
fair.
action.
It's not fair. To be very honest, it's not fair. Okay, since I have been in business and I know I have to be very rough and tough, right? So I compromise on a lot of things, but everybody cannot compromise. Everybody cannot be that rough and tough. और हर लड़की के पास ये हिम्मत नहीं होती है कि जाके अपफ्रंट बोल के और अपनी नीड टेबल पे रख सके, राइट? सो इट्स नॉट फेयर. आपको पॉलिसीज़ बनानी चाहिए सो दैट इट शुड बी इक्वल फॉर एवरीवन. अगेन जैसे मैंने कहा कि लड़कियों को थोड़ा ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है, लड़कियां थोड़ी ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होती हैं, लड़कियों को थोड़ी ज़्यादा सपोर्ट चाहिए, ठीक है? दैट्स नेचुरल. सो इस नेचुरल चीज़ को कंपनीज को अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए, बिकॉज व्हेन वी पुट आवर डिमांड्स ऑन टेबल, ऑन द कंपनी टेबल, जब हम मैनेजमेंट के टेबल पे कुछ चीज़ रखते हैं तो जैसे कि अच्छा लड़कों के लिए क्या है. सो नहीं भाई, लड़के लड़कियां इक्वल नहीं हैं, हम नहीं कह रहे. प्लीज़ कहीं पे फेमिनिज्म गलत पोर्ट्रे हो गया है. आते आते चेंज आते आते कहीं पे फेमिनिज्म गलत पोर्ट्रे हो गया है. लड़का लड़की कभी इक्वल नहीं हो सकता. अगर नेचर ने नहीं इक्वल बनाया तो आप कैसे कह सकते हैं? आपको हाँ, लड़की को फिर थोड़ी सी डिबेट आ जाती है, मतलब आई एम रियली सॉरी, थोड़ा ऑफ टॉपिक जा रहा है, लेकिन थोड़ी डिबेट आ जाती है कि फिर लड़की काम क्यों करती है. भाई काम करना अलाउ है, काम करना हमारा ह्यूमन राइट है. हमारा इस्लाम कहता है, हमारे इस्लाम में भी कहीं ये नहीं लिखा कि हम लड़की को थोड़ा सा हम सेंसिटिव बनाएंगे लेकिन हम उसे काम से रोक रहे हैं, कहीं ये नहीं लिखा, ठीक है? वो कहते हैं जो काम आपका इंडिविजुअल राइट है, आप करें, दोनों करें, लेकिन लड़की को हमने हमारी नेचर थोड़ा चेंज बना दिया है. सो आपको नेचर को फुलफिल करने के लिए, आपको उसको एड्रेस करने के लिए आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि आपको लड़की से हर चीज़ के सवाल नहीं करने हैं. यू डू नॉट हैव टू क्वेश्चन एवरीथिंग कि अच्छा आपको ये क्यों चाहिए, क्योंकि लड़के को नहीं चाहिए, सो आपको क्यों चाहिए? भाई चाहिए हमें, बिकॉज वी नीड सपोर्ट. वी कैन जस्टिफाई आवर सपोर्ट एंड दीज पीपल नो कि उनके घरों में भी जो लड़कियां हैं उनको भी इतनी ही सपोर्ट चाहिए. सो दैट्स द अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट दिस थिंग इवन विद माई मैनेजमेंट एज वेल, दैट जब आप लोग घरों में एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेके आते हैं तो मेरे ख्याल में आपको कॉर्पोरेट वाली लड़कियों की अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज़्यादा अच्छे से आती है. आई हैव सीन दिस थिंग इन माई होम. सो मेरे अब्बा he was a very different person when we were in our childhood, because तब कुछ नीड्स इस तरह की थी कि अच्छा ठीक है हम हमारी मदर फुलफिल करी. बट देन व्हेन वी रेज्ड एंड हमारा एक आया यूनिवर्सिटी के बाद एक एरा आया, सो ही अंडरस्टूड ओके इनकी नीड मुझे फुलफिल करनी है बिकॉज ये मेरी बेटियां हैं, ठीक है? वो बहुत बहुत खुशी से करते थे. बट अगेन he made sure कि उनकी कुछ policies उन्होंने, even he was not the part of a policy making judiciary में, बहुत मुश्किल है, he made sure कि ये चीज़ें मैं अपने work place पे भी लेके आऊँ, because वहाँ पे भी कुछ लड़कियाँ आ रही हैं. So that was a part जो मुझे अपने father के बारे में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And that's one admirable thing जो मैं हर एक को quote करती हूँ कि look, you have to understand कि आपके घरों में भी कुछ लड़कियों की नीड्स हैं और आपके बाहर जो कलीग्स काम कर रही हैं, they need your support. So अगर आप 4 लड़के बैठे हुए हैं और एक लड़की आ जाती है, सीट नहीं है, तो अगर आप उठ जाएंगे ना, so that makes you a good person. Not male female वाला part साइड पे रखे, it makes you a gentleman. Right? So यहाँ से support start होती है.
Thank you so much for the wonderful interview. I
Thank you so
personally
much.
enjoyed it a lot.
Oh,
And
thank you.
There were like a lot
I tried to fulfill all the things. जो भी
there
आपकी
were a lot
requirement
of
है,
questions that answers
know.
that I was like, oh, these are very nice. I love them. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
It
you
was an
so
honor.
much. Thank you for having me.